everybody. Oh, I sleep. It is the third Friday, the third. Everybody try. This is May 3rd, right? Damn, fucking time is flying. Marco watch, hey, there's trade.com. Yep. Gotta get my YouTube channel set up as usual. In the meantime, please understand that I'll do it. There, setting changes. All right, I gotta get TikTok going. All right, I think we're all set. Yeah, TikTok. Internet's acting up. I got one of my guys coming today. Oh, it's actually a good picture on TikTok. What the fuck would I like that? Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Is there anybody on YouTube? I don't know. Joe Big, what's up, Joe? What's up, Mr. C? Thanks for being on both, my friend. Good morning, Joe Dixon. Morning, Ore. Morning, Raider Trader. Thanks for being on both. What's up, Cam D? Good morning, Rafael. All right, it's been a minute. Took a little R&R for this week, actually. I don't even know about doing the signal numbers. There's so many signals called out. I don't even think I can go over them all. I don't think I want to go over them all. I don't know what I've done with Keith. Agree about that later. Morning, Robel. What's up, everybody? Let's see. We got a lot of things to go over today. I'd like to thank my brother again for doing the funded trade, or how he gets funded. He's been about a month and a half. He's only been trading for 4 months now, I think. He said he's got 6 accounts. I don't know. I'm not going to go over all that shit. I don't know what the fuck he was talking about halftime. But he did come on last night. Very good show. All right. I have to reset things. Good morning, John. Good morning, George. I'd like to remind everybody, system is made for beginners. Matter of fact, with Keith, Lord willing, Keith gets done with our machine gun scanner, it'll be calling out these groupings you see right here, and I can't draw. I sort of got to restart. Black laptop for ice record. Okay. Okay. Curiosity. Oh. Brother's birthday's coming up. There's nothing wrong with it. I can't. My cousin's birthday. Neither nor there. Okay. All right. Good morning, Larry. Does anybody, well, shoot. Does anybody have any questions or comments before I get rolling? But I have to do my thing. We are a trademarked, legally protected system. Have and will sue again to protect it. We are not financial advisors. Time, fine. Not financial advice. I have to get this all written out. You guys don't even begin to know how much shit has to go on just to come on live. Made for beginners. Anyways, we'll come back to this. All right, please type yes if you understand that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a social media influencer, whoever the fuck that is, and that this is copyrighted, trademarked, and NDA protected system that is legally enforceable in 80 countries. Morning, Shuki. Thank you, George. Thank you there. Morning, John again. Ori. All right, let's whip through a whole bunch of signal callouts. And well, I guess we can start. Does anybody have any questions over the? There's so many signals called out. I swear I don't even know if I'll be able to go over them all. I've done every signal, January, February, March, and now it's like, holy shit. With Hydra coming online, I don't know what I'm going to do. We'll see. I don't think I'm going to be able to do them all. Does anybody have any questions over anything? Hydra, the system. Before I get rolling, I'm going to call out a whole bunch of symbols for you all this morning. I'll wait a second because YouTube has about an 8-second delay. Time goes by. No questions. Okay. If you have them asked, you have to email them in, you can. Rebel Gold Hydra piece. I don't know. That's not really a question, Rebel. What you got, buddy? What's up, Lachey? Good morning. Gold Hydra. According to the settings, it hasn't called a signal since April 5th on a buy. Now, if you have your settings set up differently than that, let's see. If you're trying to use these ones, you can, but the only ones I would do would be this setup. To be clear, Robel, weekly, daily, 4 hours, just like your rules state. And then if you want to, you can turn all these on. And there's your gold signals. Looks right. Technically, you have to have it set up on 2 charts. You should have this set up on your daily over here. Oh, let's go there. So you should have it set up on your daily here. This is how it should look. Weekly now you can put on weekly and daily 4 hour if you want. Feel free. But according to the rules, this is the Hydra rules. Have fun, play with it, set things up the way you want. So powerful. Before emailing us, make sure you try every other possibility. Oh, speaking of which, Rebel, make sure you go over your rules before you email us. Make sure you ask your questions on my daily lives. Make sure you go over the questions on the advanced training session and then email us, okay? How to trade weekly, daily hydra signals. Just caught a 5-minute nights, Mr. C. Good morning, Jason McCain. Morning, Lachey, and good morning, Shuki again. So what you do is you set it up. Daily 4 hours. Set it up. It's very specific on how to trade. Remember, the 1 hour, 15 minute, 10 minute, 5 minutes have not been verified. But if you'd like to use them, they work just fine. And this is how you set them up. Now that's a lot of words. Signal call out on gold and May 2nd, first entry. Those are signal call outs. That's not hydra call outs. That's what you're asking. If you want to go into the signal service, that's something different. Sell stop, May 3rd. Sell stop, May 3rd. Time, goodness, fine. Let's see what kind that was, by the way. This is just a normal signal. This isn't a hydra signal. Let's go over here to the 5-minute mark. Let's go back to May 3rd. What time did it say? 2:16. 2:16. Good morning, Jay Parker. 2:16, May 3rd. Oh. Two 16. We have to go probably down to the 1 minute too, for that matter. 2:16. Right here, ish. Yep, came up, hooked, came down from 23.03. It went down $3 an ounce. Is that the signal you're talking about, Rubel? That's the old signal, by the way. Old signal service. We kept it active, and it made about $2 to $3 an ounce on gold. That is absolutely fantastic. Are you complaining about that, Rubel? On a fucking 5-minute, oops, hold on, piddly little signal? I don't think you're complaining about that, I would assume. You know, if you're looking at 1 minute and 5-minute trades, and if you're looking for hundreds of pips or hundreds of dollars an ounce on a 5-minute trade, you're in the wrong business, bro. Not to be mean. What do you mean called out May 2nd? May 2nd, buy stop. The regular one should go to the 15-minute. May 2nd at 10:31. Gold. Right here. Again, you can drop down to the 15-minute if you want. Let me try to mark it. It's hard to mark when it's like 10:33 or something like that. It's almost impossible to mark it. What was it? May? Okay. May 2nd at 10:31. Here's your 15-minute. It looped. This is your half moon right here. Let me show you. Okay, so here's your trade. If you follow the rules, you have to let it form its half moon. It would have came up depending on your entry. I don't know where it's have. I don't think Keith has installed this indicator for you yet. If you have this EMA yet, you do. You'd have made from 2,300 to 2,307, $7 an ounce. If you don't, I think you do. Yeah, use one. If you don't, you'd have made from here 2,303, $3 an ounce. Again, you could have done it again. 2,301 to 2,309, $8 an ounce. And then a whole shit ton of these 2,301s, $2 an ounce, $2 an ounce. Yeah, you do have the yellow. Actually, you should enter that trade back there. 2,302 to 2,308, $6 an ounce. Anything else, Rebel? Good morning, Jan. What's up, Jan? Fly the sky, Flyowski. Good morning, Shocking Life again. If you're telling me that $7 an ounce on a buy, and then $2 an ounce in a buy, and $6 an ounce in a buy isn't good enough for you, I don't know. Is there a Mace? 1 hour, 5 minutes at 7:00. Let's go to May. $7:05. Same trade, just called earlier. That's all. It's the same. So roughly speaking, 7:05 would be somewhere in here. You can go down the 5 minute and look. You can go up to the 30-minute. You know, it doesn't matter how you can go up and down on the trades. The 5 minute call, you can go down to 1 minute and trade gold from there if you want. Again, 5 minute came down, came up. I don't know whatever the fuck this is here or there. 22.95. It went ahead up to 23.09. 22.95 to 23. So 09. I don't know, whatever the hell that is, $10 an ounce. So if you played the 5 minute, feel free. If you went to the 15 minute, perfect. I guarantee you could have made a shit ton more if you'd have went down to the 1 minutes. It's just faster entries is all. One minute entry would have been here. Well, hell, right when it happened, you could have went from here to 23.18, $3 an ounce, $4 an ounce. $22.97, $5 an ounce, probably $6, $7 an ounce. Look at this one, $22.90 to can't even see $22.90, $17 an ounce. So yeah, I mean, whichever way you want to play them. If you want to play the 5 minutes, feel free. Obviously, again, that was called out. These are very fast trades. That's why when you go to the rules, Robel, you're told to do daily. You're told to do 4 hours. You're told to do weekly dailies. You see how they're written out? And if you want to try to do those lower time frames, basically you're on your own. You have to have common sense. You follow our rules, make sure you get in at the right time. But yeah, I would stick on the 1 hour and higher trades. And again, I would be waiting, personally be waiting for, see how these signals right here, when you go to the higher time frames, we're going to have a machine gun we're going to have a signal go out that's going to tell you that these will be coming. So it's going to be based on the daily 4-hour, and then of course the actual smaller time frames. These are the catches you want. What you're trying to do in here, well, at this point it'll change, but sell stop, by the way, sell stop 1 hour gold to the blue line. What you're trying to catch in here and these little time frames aren't in the rules. That's up to you to do. You can have fun with it. Follow the rules. Follow the fucking rules. Sevens, if you all understood what I was going over with the gold call outs. Nines, if you don't. Thank you, Mr. C. Thank you, Shocking Life. Thank you, Shuki. Thank you, Raider Trader. Thank you, John. All right. Robel, do you understand what I was going over or not? Again, if you guys are looking for, $100 an ounce on a 5-minute trade or a 1-minute trade or a 30-second trade or a 10-minute trade, that's insane. Since the call happened. Since the call happened, majority of sales. Hey, Robel, how do you think the sell stops are formed? I can tell Robel's not happy. Wow, I don't know how to make him happy. Robel, you've been with me for a minute. The majority has been a sell. Then you play the sell stop. Did you not just hear? Who was it? It just told you made out a 5-minute sell. Signal call it on gold. Makes like, no, hold on. Who's the guy? I'm a little confused. Just caught the nice gold 5-minute sell stop, Mr. C. So if you go to your 5-minute, and he must have caught a sell somewhere in here. I don't know where he was at. Oh, I was in the wrong chart. So yeah, if you're saying the majority of call outs, because it isn't a true sell stop on gold. If it was a true sell stop on gold, the 1 hour, well, actually the first time will have to be the 4-hour, 1 hour would show it. There isn't a 4-hour, 1 hour. This isn't a true sell. I call the sell stop on a 1 hour of the blue line, but that's not a true sell. When there's a true sell to come up, Hydra / the regular signals will show it. And if you don't understand how the sell stops that it called, we're showing it for it'll know that how these 1 hour buys are forming and the 15-minute buys are forming because of the 1-minute and 5-minute sells. But by all means, see, here's a real one. When it starts to really go down, and it's really going to be in its little downward movement, with the settings I showed you. Again, I don't know. I thought you had the Hydra. Put it on the settings I showed you. And if you're going just strictly off the signals, then the buy stops form the sell. The sell stops form the buy. I don't know what you want it to do. Here's the sell stop. There's the buy stop. Here's the buy stop. All made money. All made money. Here's the sell stop. Why didn't you go back to May 1st when it called the sell stop, Robel? See, the old me would rip Robel a new asshole for speaking up like this, but I'm trying to be as nice as I can. Why didn't you use this signal, Robel? Why didn't you say May 1st, Robel? Robel, why didn't you fucking say May 1st when it called out a sell stop? If the majority of it's been a sell stop, then why didn't you go back one more fucking day when it said sell stop, Robel? I'm going to try to be nice. Oh my God. Well, there's some straight. A day where it said a buy and it went down since then, Robel. Well, you're wrong. You're fucking wrong. How about that for me to be clear to you? I showed you where it went up $2, $3 an ounce. I showed you over and over and over again. You're a funny little boy. Oh, I'm sick of this. I can only do so much. If you guys can't follow simple instructions, then don't use the system. If you can't follow rules, then don't use it. If you can't, with your own very eyes, the 1 hour sell stop, did it go down? Well, gee, Robel, it only went down, 15 pips. Let's see. Jesus Christ. It's only gone down. No, it didn't, Robel. You go to the 1 minute or the 5 minute it was called on, it went up. Not to your liking, but it did go up. Jeez. I don't know what else to say. Well, whatever, bro. I would set up yours exactly like the rules say. Take when the rules come out. If you don't have the Hydra on your own charts, then yes, you'll have to just stick with the chart, with the actual signals. Yeah, I guess you missed the May 1st. I'm sorry, May 3rd sell stop. We're so funny. Well, May 2nd on 7:05, the system called a buy. Do you know how long it takes for a 1 hour buy stop to form, Rebel? It could literally be days. If we go up to the 4 hour, you can look. See how it's dipping down, coming down, coming down, coming down. Go to the daily. Until this, which it will, until this, it's so funny. Clown world we live in. I swear to God, everything is a clown world. Look, Rebel. Oh, I don't have my drawing still. Until we see this pink line curl and hook back up, which, Lord willing, it will, which it's heading now, actually. This is what it's doing. It's coming off this line right here. And then you'll see it come up. The first time is the best. This is the first time. This is what the machine gun will be coming out for us. So you guys have a heads up. And then you'll catch all this. So when this turns and hooks and comes back up, you'll catch all of it. I don't know what else to say. I feel like I'm wasting entirely too much time. Does everybody but Robel get what I'm trying to tell you and how to run the Hydra? Follow the rules. If you're not running the Hydra with the setup I have, I cannot help you. If you understand it, other than Robel, please say yes. If you don't, then I'll spend more time on it. But quite frankly, I'd like to make the call out for the other symbols. Morning, Maros. Thank you, Raider Trader. So just Raider Trader understands it. Good morning, Pizzini. Thank you, Shocking Life. So if you don't understand it and you want me to keep going over it, that's fine. I just feel like we're beating a dead horse at this point. These daily trades, to be clear, can and usually do. Let me be clear on this. March 8th, it literally almost took a month for the trade. Thank you, Jay Parker. Thank you, George. It took a month for the last buy stop to engage. And Robel's over here asking why it doesn't happen in less than 24 hours. Go ahead, Morris. You can tell your experience. Play the trade accordingly over here. Thank you, Jay Parker. You got it, Garth. Awesome, Garth. Mr. C. It's so funny because some mornings there's lots of women on, and some morning there's men. It's so weird to me. Rarely is it both. All right, so you guys all got it. I apologize to Rebel for not understanding, but when these trades are called, it's going to take a while for the development to happen. Literally, the last time it made its movement up, right here, it took nearly 3 weeks for it to go up. And if you're trying to say, well, they're 5-minute trades, then play the fucking 5-minute trade when you make $2 or $3 an ounce and get out of the trade. I don't understand. If you're looking at a daily buy, for instance, let's say on gold, and you're playing a 1-minute trade or a 5-minute trade, Mr. C didn't stay in the trade for a month on a 5-minute trade. I guarantee you he didn't. I guarantee, not even knowing Mr. C what happened, I guarantee Mr. C took $2, $3, $4 an ounce and got the fuck out of Dodge. He took his money and ran. And don't be greedy, correct. I mean, I don't know Mr. C personally, but I guarantee he wasn't holding on to a 5-minute trade hoping for $100 an ounce on gold. It doesn't make sense, Robel. I don't know what to tell you. Other than go to the higher time frames and be patient for the trade. Buy stop, gold, daily. Sell stop, gold to the 1-hour blue line. That should blow his mind. An incredible thank you belong to you. Oh, thank you, Maros. I don't see your story, though. Sometimes they won't let you print it. You can email us, Maros, the story. Sometimes it doesn't, like, if nothing's come up, I have to tell you my experience, Kev. And then the next thing you wrote says, an incredible big thank you belong to you and God bless. I don't see anything in between those two messages, Maros. But I'm very happy, whatever it was. But yeah, I'm calling a daily buy, so everyone's clear. And so otherwise noted, I would play any 15-second through 4-hour buy stop daily buy gold. At the same time, 1-hour sell forming it. I don't understand. It's like basic 101 safety trade stuff, but I'm going to bring somewhere. Are they tier 3 only? Yes, tier 3 only get these. When you're in tier 3, which I swear I believe Rebel is, I don't understand why he's having such issues, is you can set whatever you want. And this is how Rebel should have his chart set up. Every one of you watching is this right here. Weekly, daily, 4-hour, 4-hour, 1-hour. First signals are best. On daily 4. You don't even need a daily 4-hour, but you can check it. These are the ones you want. And then when you see this, watch, these bursts come up, and I'm telling you, maybe this is what Rebel would rather have. A non-miss, watch what happens. These are what I'm calling, not we, it's me. Machine gun burst. These right here are never going to miss, even on the lower time frames. I have not tested it live. I did back test these, so I'm going to go ahead out there and tell you. It doesn't matter what symbol. Could be NAS, could be US 30. Anytime you see the first, and we're going to have a signal, so Rebel can just hang out in a minute, probably within the week, Laura Lillian with Keith. We're going to have a signal that'll alert you before these signals come. It's going to be called the machine gun scanner. It's going to scan 50 different symbols. Matter of fact, it's going to scan. Yeah, Rebel, I would just wait because it seems like you don't know quite how to handle it. So I would just wait until you see this come up. Oh, nice, Sog. Well, thank you. Congratulations. And congratulations to you, Maros. I wish I could hear your story, though, Maros. So just email us your story. It'd be so nice to hear. The Green said, my annual subscription is up today. 12 months, love it. Signing up again. Yay, Sog. SOG 2003. Congratulations. What I was getting at though is here. The machine gun signal scanner, it's going to call out so you guys can trade all these other symbols if you want, especially those GBB pairs. All these other indices if you want. Those are the cryptos. Before you see all these green things come in. So when you see all these little lines come up, they're not going to be wrong. Cannot, will not. Look at how much you've made off this. And no, they don't just go up, they go down too. It's both high and low. Hold on. This is the USD chef. So yeah, I think maybe Robel, just wait a week. Within the week, we'll have that scanner ready for you guys. And then you'll see this. It'll give you a notice. Then you're going to see a note. You'll see an alert, a signal go out and say, hey, machine gun scanner. Watch. Let me show you some. Oh, I don't have my tools. Fuck. Machine gun scanner. Possible sell stop. USD, CHF, demo trade only. It'll come out somewhere back here. Literally telling you hours and days probably before the move happens. Is that not going to be cool? And then you'll know. See, here's the buy stop where Bell's like, well, this is a 4-hour, 1-hour buy stop. Yes, it still went up. These little blips that you see right here that doesn't look like much are still a fantastic movement on a 1-minute, 5-minute entry right here. Fantastic movement up. But the reality of it is that this is still going to be a sell eventually. And look how long it took to develop. Look, it didn't call out the sell correctly until down here. So yeah, or anybody having trouble with the signals or anything, just chill for a week, maybe 2, whatever. You're going to get a machine gun alert before you see these particular buys and or sells. Before it, it's going to be the coolest fucking thing ever. So we're going to have an alert for an alert, a signal for a signal. That makes me fun. That makes me laugh. Look at them all. So you'll get an alert up here saying, hey, for the daily. Watch. TradingView charts they're exhausting at how they handle this. Okay, so let's see right here. See, look, you're going to get an alert somewhere around here. So probably about 2, 3, 4 hours before any signals come out, you're going to get an alert say, hey, look for 5-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute sell stops 2.0 to come out. Does that make sense to everybody? We're currently working on, that's why I've been trading, the Hydra machine gun signal scanner. Morning, Peter P. So does everybody get that? Yes, you understand there's going to be a scanner that's going to look like actually this, but it's going to have 50 symbols on it with hopefully a little smiley face or a little X saying, yes, it's there, and no, it's not. What's up, Peter? Can't wait to talk to you later today, my friend. I think 2 o'clock or something. I don't know why, but I think that's going to be the coolest thing ever. And I don't want X's and checks. I hope he puts a smiley face on there so we're cool. Good, Mr. C. Yeah, Garth. Yeah, so you guys are going to have a heads up. The problem comes in, and this is where everyone has it. The problem comes in, these trades aren't frequently happening. But what I'm hoping for is when we have 50 of them, 50 different things being scanned, symbols being scanned, one of them a week or maybe 2 a week is what I'm hoping will come up. So then we don't have to wait for a month or 3 weeks or 2 weeks in between these shotguns, these blasts. Because if you come over here to US 30, let's take a look. You come over here to US 30, right? Let me go back. See, here we go. The last time we had a good shotgun blast was in March. So you're going to wait. That's all of April. You wouldn't have had a shotgun blast. February, shotgun blast. You get it? A blast. February, twice in February. Once in January. Twice in February. Once in March, and none in April. So because of that, you guys are going to get bored. You're not going to not trade in April. So then I throw out all these other signals for you, hoping for the best. Hoping that you guys, get it. By the way, 1 hour, 4 hour went to the blue line exactly. So yeah, so until these shotgun blasts form, I give you all these other trades, these 5 minute, 10 minutes, it's fill in the gaps. But instead of doing that from now on, or I'll probably still do that, we're going to be tracking 50 symbols for the shotgun blast. And you can trade any one of these 50 is what I'm hoping for. And I'll probably expand more of the FX crosses. Because this, when you wait for those bursts to come up like that, and you'll have probably 5 to 10 signals to be able to catch before you even have to make it. So, you know what I'm saying? And it works on anything. You can go to Google, you can go to NVIDIA. Doesn't matter what. Whenever there's these little blasts, it'll be right. Let me see something over here. Yeah, see, nope, it'll be the first time too. So you'll have a first time alert, which would be this one way back here. Let's see. Right here. This is the first blast. Boom. Then the second blast. Boom. So you'll have alerts before this occurs for you. I don't know how else to word that to you. And that's all. So instead of waiting for US 30 to do it a month, 2 months, we're checking gold, Bitcoin, whatever, ERUSD, USD CHF. We'll be checking oil. So whenever one of them fires off to the blast, hopefully we'll get at least, 1 or 2 a month on that. And then when we know before it's going to happen, yeah, so the first time we've been here, nope, back here, it'll be a blast. See that? Not even knowing anything else, you can tell where the blast is going to occur. Oh, this went down and blah, blah, it doesn't matter. If it's the first time on a blast, even the second time on a blast, it'll be correct. It'll be, trust me on that, it's not going to miss. So hopefully that makes sense to y'all. I mean, I feel bad for people when they don't catch on and they don't understand it. But if you're trying to do, like I think Robel was, to make, they said a sell or it said a buy and it went down, except for May 1st when it said a sell, but he missed that one. Selective memory, I guess. But then May 2nd, it said it's a buy and it went down. And there was still buys on the 5 minute, 1 minute. Hell, there probably been 20 buys on the 15-second, 30-second. But whatever. I would change your focus though, everyone that's looking. Try to stay positive. Try to look for the correct trades. You know what a buy stop is. You know what a sell stop is, Robel. And if it doesn't match up, don't take the trade. If it does match up, take the trade. See, this thing of beauty right here. Thing of beauty. Now that's pretty ugly, GBJPY. I won't call it a shotgun on that. Here's a sell. Watch. You want to see it? Yep, it's right here. They tell you a mile away this is going to be a sell back here. Right there. Oof. Sell. How's it looking for our? Hold on. Let me go over to SPF. Go to current. Really? Yeah. Well, we're getting up. So you can either do a weekly, daily buy stop, which I called last week, which takes forever, or you can wait. And you can wait for this to call out. This isn't a true down on SPX. It's coming, very close, coming for NAS. You can either do a weekly, daily buy, or, which I would, or with a sell on NAS. You'll wait, you'll see these things. They're going to start coming up. If this really comes back down, you're going to see this will all turn to red. You'll see a whole bunch of light up for SPX, NAS, and US 30. NAS, buy stop to the 1 hour blue line. SPX, buy stop, already there. NAS, buy stop. 30-minute buy stop to the NAS 1 hour blue line. Yeah. Buy stop, all three indices, 30-second through 30-minute buy stop, all three indices to the 1 hour blue line of NAS and the 1 hour blue line of SPX. I'm not a genius. I just have a fucking scanner that tells me it. So there you go. Hope I'm helping you guys. I'm trying to go slower this morning so you have some idea. Now, if you don't want to do that, you don't want to play these buy stops up there, even though that's exactly where it's going and past, by the way, then don't. Then don't. I'm telling you, there'll be a daily sell before then. So you'll see if you see sell stops forming on the 5-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute start popping up, you can take those sells. I promise you they'll be good. I sent my email. Oh, okay, cool. Let me check it out for you. Maros. Do you mind if I read your email online, Maros? Or if you don't want me to, I won't. Well, you've been publicly commenting, so I guess you do. Hold on 1 second. All right. I apologize, man. Maros, if it's okay, I can read this out loud, but let me see. Everyone tries 8 ICT. Yeah, yeah, everyone goes through quitting. Everyone quits trading. Oh boy. Aw. How sweet that is. Maybe I don't want to read this too personal. I'm sorry, I'm reading the email right now, guys. Good morning, Michael. What's up, buddy? Oh, yay. 8 good trades out of 10. Boom, baby. Aw. Well, that is a great, great story, Maros. I hope I'm saying your name right. Wow. I'll respond to that. Very sweet. So an 80% win rate lately. Wow, that's really fucking good, by the way. Professionals only. That's great. Yay. Congratulations, Maros. Well, I'll do everything I can to help you. I think Robel's still pissed at me for something to do with the signals, but I can't help that. I'm doing the best I can to help each and every one of you. You know, if we get an 80% win rate with the signals, I'm thrilled. We were at 100% up until April. I have no idea. There's so many signals called out in April. I have no idea. Guess we'll see. All right. Thank you, Morris, for sharing that. Now, does anybody else have any comments or concerns? Even if Robel still has any issues, I'd love to help him. He's a good man. You know, anything. Hey, Peter P. Hey, Robel. Robel's probably so pissed at me left. Robel, if you're still here, I would strongly recommend, if it's okay with Peter P, to get with Peter P. Robel, he can help you. As a matter of fact, I'll be talking to Peter P if we can, make sure we're all on the same page with things. I think Peter P might be getting a major promotion within our group here soon. Robel's, I don't know. Hey, Robel, what is your Discord name? I think Bree knows. I have no idea. I can't keep you all straight. Bree knows every last one of you, what your emails are. Hell, she probably knows your date of birth. Probably knows your fucking name. Bree's a fucking genius. She's so smart. I have no clue of what this thing is, though. Yeah, because I think Robel is unhappy with the signals. Peter P. Yeah, I don't know. I think he goes by Robel in there. I don't know. Good morning, Tracy Ann Davis. How have you been, Tracy? Do you have any questions, Tracy, for me over anything? I spent a lot of time trying to help Robel with the signals, but Rob bless. There you go. Peter P. Yeah. So Robel, hook up with Peter P. He'll get you over the hump. I guarantee he will. He'll help you understand the signals better. He'll help you understand the system and your entries better. He likes to go down to the lower time frames to do it. Thank you, Robel. Robel, nothing but love, brother. I know you're upset with me, but it'll all work out. Trust me. You'll be on here very, very happy. You'll be making your money. You're welcome, Robel. Thank you, Peter P. And Peter, I really do look forward to talking with you. Oh, nice, Tracy. Awesome. Going great by the system. Thank you, Tracy. Well, if there's anything I can help, the Peter P course, right? Oh, it helps. Because what it is a different perspective. You guys hear me every day tell you something, then you hear my brother tell you something, then you hear Bree say something. Well, then Peter P has his own spin on it. Thank you, Peter. What's up, Quentin? What's up, buddy? Good evening to you, Quentin, but it's brand new morning. It's fucking 7 o'clock a.m. where I'm at. So we're on the opposite ends of the earth, evidently, Quentin. Now I'm fired up. Let's rock. Oh, everyone be careful. It's NFP day. You can trade it masterfully. And matter of fact, I don't want to say anything. But I won't be trading it. I can't be trading. I got to go. Trying to get the dang on machine gun scanner created for you guys. Eventually, after we get that done, we got to get the Holy Grail trades done. And then it sounds like a lot, but it really isn't. This should be finishing up rather quickly, hopefully for the next few weeks. And then I can get back trading with you guys all morning from like 7 a.m., 8 a.m. through 8:30, through the market open at 9:30, probably about 10. Like you always say, yeah, that's exactly right, Larry. Teach the system is how you master it. Teaching a few so often and seeing results, but it's helped me too. Exactly. That's what Larry was just saying, Peter P. Hell yeah. And eventually, I would like Peter P to possibly to get things worked out, to start coming on and co-hosting the lives, that kind of thing. I have some big aspirations for him. We'll see. We'll see how broad his shoulders are. Because as a matter of fact, like when me and Bree take off for a few days, 2, 3 days, 4 days or whatever, then Peter P can come on and still do a live in the morning for you guys. But of course, he's gonna have to be trained up for the next probably 3 months, 6 months. That's what I'm hoping for. He can handle it. Well, if I didn't think he could, I wouldn't bring it up on a live. Peter P's my little face. It is 12:58 that night. Oh, in the Netherlands. How cool is that, Quentin? The Netherlands. Yeah, we have a couple guys. Gorof's from there. Oh, no, he might be from Sweden. Is that Sweden part of the Netherlands? See, Americans are ignorant when it comes to. But anyway, I'm talking to Peter about it later today, so we'll see. And then Peter gets all the goodies. We work something out, and he's willing to do a little fill in here or there, train people like he already is. We'll take care of Peter. He'll be taken care of. Good man. I think he has an Australian accent. Am I thinking of someone else? Peter, you got an Australian accent? I don't remember. I think he does. Again, Bree, genius. She would know where everybody's from, what they're. Yeah, she knows your emails. She knows your freaking Discord names. My wife is a freaking genius. She knows every lyric to every song that was even remotely, even not even remotely popular. Crazy. Oh, English. Oh, okay. Sorry, Peter P. I don't know why I was thinking somebody from Australia might be. See, I'm an idiot. Bree would have known. No. He's from blah, blah, blah. He lives here. He's over there. He does this. Damn it. She remembers everything, whereas I, not so much. All right, system made for beginners. Anybody watching this? We try to help everybody, just like one of our experienced members having a challenge, teaming them up with Peter P. We've used other people in the past. We still have other people that we do refer over to on top of Peter. So yeah, there's many experienced traders that we have that can help with inexperience, or the people who are having troubles that have been with us a while. All good. I get it all the time with these yanks. That's funny. With these yanks. Eastern time zone. I know I can't. It's impossible. Quentin says we have cool cities. Awesome. Love to go visit there one day. Amsterdam. Okay. Maybe Bree will head over there. I had my passport, but expired. So we just applied for passport, I think about a month ago or so. It takes a couple months, 3 months to get or some shit. Yeah, lock in Rotterdam. Okay, cool, Quentin. Lock in your profits if you're going to do NFT. I used to love trading NFT with you guys. It was so much fun. NFT is a blast. But if you're not experienced, stay out of it. All right. Any other questions, concerns, or comments? Boy, did I get digressed today. I'm all over the damn place. Well, people are asking questions. Smart move, John. Anybody on TikTok? Any more questions? Anybody on YouTube? Any more questions or concerns or happy comments? Let's be happy. Maros over there had a breakthrough. He's doing really good now, 80% win rate. I love to hear the happy news. I realize everything's not cherries and roses or whatever. All right. Would you guys like me to make the call outs? Maros. Would you guys like me to make the 10, 15 symbol call outs that I usually do or no? If you do, I will. If you don't, I won't. XRP. Call out, please. Call out, call out. All right, cool. Let's do them. Gold. It's going to take a while. Gold. Sell. Forming. Let me spread these out a little bit. Nope, still so. Forming. Still. Let's go. Okay. Forming. Still a sell. 4 hour. Okay. So play any 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour sell. Then, or wait for a daily, weekly buy stop gold. To play any sell stops you want on gold, feel free. And then it's a daily, weekly buy gold. Thank you, Rocket. NAS and gold. Well, there's gold for you. All right. Thank you, Tracy. Oil. That's a hard fall here. Hold on. Oil's a small fall. Daily. Okay. Oil. Well, it already hit its 1 minute buy. Let me see about a 3 minute. How high is that going to go? Oil. 1 minute to the buy to the 3 minute blue line. Then oil. 15 minute, 1 hour. So it's an arch up and hook down like it already did once, twice, 3. I might be getting towards the end. And then it's a 15 minute, 1 hour sell oil. And then it's a daily buy oil. US 30, daily buy. NAS, daily buy. SPX, daily buy. It is a daily, weekly buy to be specific. It's the first time it's happening. Let it keep falling. Perfectly fine. It's making a W. You can clearly see the green, 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 red. All that. So the daily has to fall first. So 4 hour sell, daily buy, all 3 indices, SPX, NAS, and US 30. 4 hour sell, 1 hour, 4 hour sell, daily, weekly buy. Pick your poison. You can also play, hold on. You guys like these short term thingies? And let's go over to the 3 minute. It's already above. Let me see. Yeah. You can also play 30-second through 30-minute buy stop, all 3 indices, to the NAS 1 hour blue line, to SPX's 1 hour blue line. Okay, feel free. If you don't want to do those, you can do the You can do the 4 hour daily sells. If you don't want to do those, you can do the daily, weekly buys. I hope that's specific enough. Keith, where you been? I swear to God, he comes down here rather talk to me. What's up, Keith? Hope things are fantastic for you. All right, so that's US 30, NAS, and SPX all rolled up into one. By the way, Keith Palmer, put some respect on his name, the great Keith Palmer. He's the one that is coding all this crazy shit. He's the one that's coding all, oh, hold on. Hello, there. Please say thank you to Keith. He's the one that's coding the sniper. He's the one that's coding this and that. Without Keith, boy, it'd be ugly. So yes, everyone please take a moment. Thank the great Keith Palmer. He's the one making our machine gun scanner for us. Yep, the man, the myth, and the legend. Correct. Sorry, Keith, you had me in. You came on when I was making out the signal call outs. My brain farted for a second. Yay, Keith. By the way, Keith, you want to talk, hearing about it? I'll be done within the half hour. If you want to talk, let me know. I'll send you a message. Yep. Thank you, Keith. Thank you, Keith. He is the greatest coder I've come across, even surpassing Andre. And he's an even better man. And I'm honored and humbled, actually. Humbled is a better word to be calling him a friend. I bet you he is. Yeah. Yep. Out of all the thousands of people I talked to regarding the system, and it's been thousands, bought the system from me, I have not become friends except with Keith. He was originally a member. And that should speak volumes to you. Volumes to what a good man Keith is. I have a very close, tight-knit circle of friends, and I consider Keith a friend. So, yep, outstanding coder. Yep, better man. That's my opinion of him. All right, sorry, we got carried away. But thank you, Keith, very, very much. A little late on the buy stuff. I'm going to go back to the signal call if you guys keep thinking of. Good morning, Brian. Brian Claus. 1 minute too late, 5 minute buy, ERUSD, 10 minute too late. You guys should have been in this trade. I wasn't running my mouth an hour ago. Nothing we can do. These are all buys. Oh, here we go. Buy stop. 30 second through 30 minute buy stops. Play any buy stops with the 1 hour blue line of ERUSD is the opposite for you to shove. Yeah, Keith, you deserve all that love and more. GBP, JPY ricochets and come up and come back down. 30-second buy, 1 minute buy, 3 minute buy, 5 minute buy, 15 minute sell, 30 minute sell, 1 hour sell back to the blue line. It's going to arch up, hook, and then it's going to come back down on GBP, JPY. Bitcoin, you know my story on that. I've been telling you to fucking do it. That's a nice little buy. Sell, 1 hour sell on Bitcoin, but I'm not calling shit for Bitcoin. You guys didn't listen to me over a year and a month ago when I was telling you to buy it at 26,000. Good morning, Joanna Whibley. Good morning, Don't Cast Stones. If you didn't listen to me over a year ago to buy Bitcoin at 26,000, I refuse to talk to you people. Well, I do. Sell. Ethereum sell. 4 hour sell. Ethereum daily buy until Ethereum goes over 3,500. So sell short term on Ethereum, buy long term on Ethereum. XRP, buy stop XRP monthly. I don't give two shits. Let it keep going down. I don't give a fuck. 15 second through weekly buy stop XRP. You guys do what you want to do. I think that's everything. Did I leave anybody out? I think I do oil. I don't know. Anybody want me to call anything else out? Let me know. Everyone keep thanking Keith. Good morning, Joanna. Good morning, Don't Cast Stones. TikTokers, any questions, concerns, or comments? I'll probably be talking to Keith hopefully in the next, half hour or two. We're going to be working on the machine gun scanner for you. You're welcome, Peter P. You're welcome, Michael. All right. This is an interesting session this morning. I think it went well. I don't know, maybe. Don't forget, we do have optional and add-ons. Don't forget to unlearn to relearn the system. You need to master it, to teach it and master it. We are stand ambassadors. We're really successful at our store, very much so. We were a top 50 store. I think she even mentioned we were a top 20 store. It's like Shopify, but for like TikTokers. And we're one of their top stores, and we have 3 of them with them. Renewals, just go to the site to buy it, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I'm good. All right, The man, the myth, and the legend. All right, TikTokers. God bless you all on TikTok, heading to YouTube where I can talk a little more freely. Yes, let's call that. Oh yeah, no, we're getting off the phone. We're getting off this right. I want to call, Keith. We got to talk. All right, everybody. Don't fuck around unless you really go with the system. All right, I got to restart this component. All right, YouTube, any questions before I go? Any questions going once? Any questions going twice? I'll wait for you guys to see a lag. I think it was a nice session this morning. Went over a lot. Learned things. Taught a few things. I liked it. Let me see where I'm at, though. There we go. All right. All right, YouTube. Well, God bless y'all. Hope you have a great day. I should be on, almost for sure, be on later today. Yeah, I'm pretty 90% sure I'll be on later today. So it'll be twice today, probably even twice tomorrow, and so on. You're welcome, Jay Parker. You're welcome, John. You're welcome, Jan. Much love, Shuki. All right, guys. God bless you. I'm a roll. Try to help you even more, developing another tool for you guys. I swear it never ends.